All right, so new news. Car is all fixed from last time. All it was coils. The off-the-line coils I got were bad. Just put OEM stock ones back in, which you should always do because they've done all the research in the past year. So we put the new coils in, OEM ones, and it runs perfect, maybe better than ever with the new plugs as well. That's the update. So now that that's all fixed, we're ready for the track this coming up weekend. You'll see a video of that. But in the meantime, let's finally put on some dress-up stuff that I had laying around. I didn't want to put anything on until I knew the car was running solid, and now it is. So we're gonna put on this stuff from Rallytech. Check that out. We got the alternator cover, and we also have just a little fuse box cover. That's really easy to install, but I'll show you how to put this in here, the Rallytech alternator cover. That's just going to take place of that plastic one there. Something like that. Just dress it up a little bit and clean it up. It'll match the cob intake box real nice. And the eye wire splitter as well. So let's get to putting this in. It's pretty simple. I'll show you. So the stock one comes off, 10 millimeters right here. That one, 10 millimeter there. That one, and don't drop it. It's hard with one hand. That one there. This one there. And then, boop, factoring comes right off. That. And then on this new one, this comes with these brackets here, some L brackets, and they're gonna go, one's here, L bracket there, another one there for the new mounting points. So first step to install it, you're gonna use these supplied brackets, these L brackets. One goes here, short one goes there like that. The other one like this goes right there above the power steering pulley, like that, with the supplied hardware. So let's get that put in. So I'm gonna put everything in hand tight for now until I know it's all lined up properly. Now that that bracket's installed, and this one, we're just going to lay it on top, make sure the holes line up properly. Perfect. And almost perfect. Just move that over a little bit, and we'll be good. And they came with supplied Allen heads here, but I like to use the recessed washers and Allen head. Just makes a little bit for a cleaner look. Alright. Installed those with the flush washers. Look at that. Much cleaner. And this is a pretty easy install. I think they have a bolt there to lock nut it down, but I test fitted earlier and it fits so tight, and if the hood's down, it's not going to fly off. Look at this. Easy install. Man. That's better too. So everything looks better now. Look at that. Rallytech fuse box cover. Rallytech alternator cover. More of the Rallytech stuff too. There's Rallytech thermo gaskets everywhere as well on this too. You can't see it. They're all down there. So that's all I have for you today. Alternator cover, fuse box cover that I've been waiting to get on forever, but I was more worried about the running of the car. And now that it's running pretty much perfect, now I can start to do this stuff and show you some more stuff that I have coming up too. Some more front end stuff, and I think I have a couple more things I need to add on to this car. But that's all for the track day. It's running good now. I just wanted to update you with that. It's just a coils. Stick with OEM coils. Aftermarket ones just suck. So I will see you guys at the track. Wish me luck.